Hey guys, this is me Shah Mohammad Afsan. Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how can you make this type of subscribe animation just using Kinemaster. So without getting late, let's start our today's video.
First of all, open your Kinemaster Pro app, then open a project. Now choose a video. This is our video. Now just make sure where you want to put your subscriber button animation. I want to put it on 3rd second. Now our next step, just click on layer, then click on media. Now click on background. Here you will see many colors. Now I will choose a solid color. I will go for white. Now with this button you can resize it. You can make it small or big, and with this you can just rotate it. Now we will make it big and place it here by dragging. We will place it here. You can drag this and change the duration. Here I have increased the duration. Now just click on this and you can change the color, but I will stay for white. Here if we play this, you can see it will come suddenly. Now I want to make it more realistic, so I will give it an animation so that it will look good. Now I will click on in animation and go for this slide up animation. Here it will come like this. Now you can just change the animation time. Now I have put it for 1.5 second, and here you can see it comes so smoothly. Its appearance is now smooth. Now just play the video and see where it comes fully to this video. Here, this point. Now we will go for our next step. Just click on the layer and click on media. We will add our channel logo. Now I will add my channel logo. Here. Now I will resize it and I will place it here by dragging. I will place it here. Now just play it and see. Here it comes suddenly, so I will give it an animation to look good. I will give it click on in animation and I will go for fade. Just make sure that this animation time is less than the solid color animation time. I will go for 1 second. Here. Now I will make its appearance more attractive, so I will click on layer and click on sticker. Now I will go for this team animated. I will go for this. Now I will choose this one. Now here you can see I will resize it, make it small and put it here. Now if we play it, you will see the result like this. Yes, it's look more smooth and more realistic. Now we will go for our next step. We will add a text. We will type subscribe. Click OK. Now here is our subscribe text. Click on this and you can change its color. I will go for red. Now click on this and you can change the font. I will go for this font. Click on right. Now I will place it here. Here. Now I will give it an animation, so just I will click on in animation, then I will choose letter by letter. Now I will stay for the animation time 1 second, then just click right and now just check the result. Here it is looking so nice. Now we will go for our next step. Just click on layer and click on sticker. Now just go for this cursor sticker. You will get this sticker in the store in Kinemaster Pro. Now just choose this sticker and I will place it here. You will get these stickers in Kinemaster Pro. Just go to the store and install this sticker. As you can see, now I will remove the remaining part. I will click on trim and trim to right of the playhead. Here you can see. Now if you see that it will go suddenly, so we will give it an out animation. Just click on this and click on fade. Now it will look more realistic. Just check it here. Now when it will come to the end, we will add our next step. We will add layer and click on sticker, and we will go for the same sticker, the cursor sticker. We'll click on cursor and we'll go for this sticker. Now just this is the bell sticker. Now we will place it here. Now just check the result. As you can see, this is looking more attractive. Now what do we have to do? Just pick an end point here. Now we have to bring all these layers to be end in this point. As you can see, we are bringing them in one line here, all these layers in one line. Now we will give it an out animation. We will give all these layers an out animation. We will give them same out animation. You can see slide right, out animation, slide right, and the animation time will be same also. Now as you can see, we have brought all of them in one line here, in one line. We will trim the solid here. Now it has come to one line. Now if we play it, you will see the result here. If we play it again, just check it. Everything is okay.
If this video was helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.